Okay, today we're introducing two new tools for clip removal of rockers, moldings, etc. Mostly styles like this, and the tool's designed to get in there, thin enough to grab, to pull, and push to release it without damaging, the paint. So we use a wedge, most people have this in their box, just to get in, put a little pressure on the rocker, just to get it, just away from the paint a little bit. We'll go in and, just kind of reach in there, wedge a little bit of pressure, just to release the clip. There's a snap, so I got the one side, and you kind of go in and get the other side, then that one's released. And then you just move on to the next one, pull it away, wedge in there, basically just to, get in there. Takes a little finesse sometimes. Just back and forth. Snap to one side, and kind of come over to the other side, and then just push. Get that in. Okay. And then you just work your way down. Keep moving the wedge, and give a little pressure. Find the next one. Quick little there. So it's just made to get in there without damaging the paint. Just to release a lot of clips. And that's basically it. Just a new design. Just pull and push without scratching the paint or breaking the clips, because sometimes they break off very easily. And that's basically the new tool. Comes in two sizes. Come in a kit. And different applications.